Hey everybody, Jason over here at 154 Marine. Thanks for tuning into this week's YouTube channel here at 154 Marine. And what we're going to do is talk about a 2026 Excel 21 foot Cat Pro. It comes with a 150 Suzuki motor on it, 4-stroke. This boat is how you see it is how you get it. You can add obviously whatever electronics you want to add to it, controller motor and all that good stuff. So let's go inside and check a couple of the features out. All right, we're inside the boat here, and we're going to start in the back here. We got a look at this spacious live well we got right here. You can put them big old catfish right in here. Got a divider in there, keep them separate if you guys and gals are fishing with another person. So pretty cool for all you catfish guys and gals. Big old spacious live well right here. Check out the camo pattern. Great camo pattern on this boat. Got a spot right here for a seat. Right here's your battery compartment. All that good stuff. Easy access to get to everything. All right, I'm in the captain's chair right here. We got another seat right here. And what's cool about these seats, if you look, right here is a lever. You can turn these seats to whatever direction you want to fish. You know, all you cat fishermen out there, you might have your rods out on this side, you can turn it around. Kick back, relax. All that good stuff folds right down. Same way with the driver's seat here. Right here you can spin it around, lock it in. The cockpit area right here, we got all your gauges all right here in front of you. Got your horn, aerator, bilge, and your nav lights right there. You got a cup holder right over here, and here's your throttle right here. So anyway, let's go to the front here. Here's a cool little bait well, they call it. Throw all your live bait in here. Very deep, very spacious right there. So you can catch them big old catfish here at Mark Twain Lake or whatever lake you're on. So we'll go to the front deck here. We've got a couple other seats right here. We got another spot for another seat right here. We got a couple more storage compartments right up here up front. Put your life jackets, whatever you want in there. And let's go over here to the side. This is where you can stick some fishing rods in here. We got some holes right here where you can slide your rod tips in. All that good stuff. So hope everybody enjoyed this little walkthrough of this 21 Cat Pro 2026 model here at 154 Marine. Great camo color. If you're interested in checking it out, give them a call, 573-565-2052, or you can stop by 154 Marine west of Perry on 154 Highway. So thanks again for tuning in to this week's YouTube channel. Hope everybody enjoyed it, and we'll see everybody on the next one.